things were quiet, I can hear you breathe. You can feel the heat. We're not who they say. We stand together. This love can't be broken. My love, we will show.
Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and overview of Vinsic 20,000 mAh quick charge power bank. So let's get started. Inside the box we can see the power bank itself and some paperwork and micro USB cable. So let's keep the box aside and take a quick look on the power bank. This power bank looks sleek and premium and has got about 500 grams of weight to it. It has got 4 ports, 2 USB ports, a Type-C port and a micro USB port. The one with the orange USB supports quick charge 3.0. So these are the specifications of this power bank. You can pause the video to read the full specification. This power bank also have touch-sensitive battery status screen. The actual price of this power bank in Amazon is about 6,500 rupees, but I bought it from AliExpress and it cost only about 1,000 rupees. I can recommend this power bank to anyone. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.